Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in the exercise room and we got cables running everywhere. So I got this here. This is like a little Velcro-ish cable management system. We're actually moving to a different garage for some of this stuff, so it won't be too useful yet. But I just want to kind of show you guys what this thing is and how it kind of works here. And so let's look at this. It's just like a big Velcro strip. And so it's when, this is right now we have a plastic on the floor, but it's going to be a carpet when we move. And so what this will do is this will go over your wires and it'll just totally Velcro like onto the carpet and hold it into place without having to ruin the carpet with like tape, like if you have like tape, especially if you're like moving things around a lot. So like that, like the treadmill has its wire going this way, so I'll just be able to go right over there, cut it to length, and then have this over it, and it'll keep us from tripping over it. So how kind of cool is that? So it's like this whole Velcro kind of system here. Look at this, just a hook and loop thing. I guess Velcro is a different brand, but how cool is that? It's pretty long. I mean, this one here, and I'm not sure how it's sticking to my shirt when I do that. So I'm at about 6 feet here, so, and it hardly used any, so I don't know, 20 feet maybe or so. So pretty cool though. So it's gonna be nice and it's super durable. It's not gonna fall apart or anything. It's sticking to my watch band because my watch band is fizzling, that kind of stuff. So very cool. So I like it. So I'm gonna say this is really nice, and it's a nice, good, thick, wide strip, so it'll just cover up wires really good, especially like some of these wires here that are just a regular little round one there. So I'm gonna say these are perfect size and stuff like that. Then looks good to me, so I'm gonna say this is really nice, and thumbs up from me on this cable wrap system. And links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.